Extra credit. Assignment groups without graded assignments are not calculated. Another thing to be aware of is that if you have an assignment group without any graded assignments in it, the weighted total percent will not be part of the grade calculations. So in this example, I have assessments. This is the final exam. If students have not taken this yet, there will not be any point value, and the 30% of the total will not be calculated into the grade calculations. By entering the extra credit, the 5% will be calculated into the total grade calculation. If we look at grades in this example, I have set up running scores from A to D for demonstration purposes. So no one has taken the final exam. If I enter extra credit points, that will give them 100% extra credit in the assignment group, and they still have 100% in the class. If I enter a lower extra credit value here, they actually have less, because the assessment assignment group is not being calculated at 30%. So this percentage total is from participation, activities, and extra credit. So the student with 80%, they have 100% now out of the 5%, and of course they only have the 80% from participation in activities. But as soon as they take this final exam, and I enter any kind of a score, it includes it into the calculation, and we see the 105%. If they are consistent and get 80% on the final, again they are 5% above where they were without the final because of the extra credit, the 5% gain here. If you have any other assignments within this group that are graded, then this 30% of the total will be calculated. Going back to grades, in this example, Week 1 quiz is part of the assessment group. It has been graded. So you can see the assessments, there is a percentage here. So now if I put in any extra credit, you will see the proper calculation because all assignment groups are being calculated.